Hello everyone, I'm Arwa Mohsin and our team is excited to introduce our project aiming to improve fish health, enhance productivity and promote sustainability in biofloc fish farms. Our goals align with three of United Nations Sustainable Development Goals SDG 14, SDG 9 and SDG 2. The global demand for fish production is projected to reach 187 million tons by year 2030. So this demand challenges traditional fish farming methods, necessitating a delicate balance between production, environmental sustainability, and fish welfare. Our project addresses a key issue faced by biofloc fish farmers, that is the lack of monitoring and control infrastructure, which can harm fish health, reduce productivity, and lead to economic losses. So our solution involves integrating the ESP32 microcontroller with IoT technologies to monitor pH, temperature, and dissolved oxygen of water.
Hello everyone, my name is Gulfam Ali Khan, and according to our project methodology, we are integrating water parameters through IoT technology. And according to our project main objectives, we have two main objectives. Our first aim is to minimize the error caused by labor, and second is to increase the growth rate of our fish. To achieve this, we conducted two surveys at fish farms and analyzed the parameters and assumptions as shown in our video. Based on this analysis, we concluded that our project will achieve two outcomes. First is cost effectiveness and second is automated precision. Now let's talk about the methodology of our project. Firstly, we have installed some sensors in our culture, which is our water, and these sensors are fetching data from our water and sending data to our ESP controller. This ESP enables a network of IoT technology that it fetch data from our sensors and upload to the server that we can access from our devices like mobile and laptop easily.
We begin with the sensors. We are using a temperature sensor, one wire temperature sensor DS18B20 for measuring the temperature of the water tank. Next, for the humidity parameters, we are using a DHT11 temperature plus humidity sensor. For the pH, we are using a pH sensor with BNC electrodes to measure the pH. These are the sensors. We are integrating them with ESP32, and for our IoT part, we are interlinking these sensors on Blink IoT platform.
Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Talha. I will explain the hardware setup of our project. We are using water tank as a prototype whose length is 3 feet and whose diameter is 2 feet. We will use an oxygen level sensor to measure the oxygen level in water. For controlling, we will use heater, aerators and neutralizers.
Now I'm going to present the data analysis we did for our project. By collecting, visualizing and interpreting data, it allows us to forecast trends and find correlation between different water parameters. So this is the user interface on Power BI for our project. Since it has an interactive interface, if you want to know the values of all these parameters at a specific time of the day, you just click on that time in the graph and these sliders will automatically update to those values. Then we plot the time series graph of all these parameters. This is the graph of water temperature. The region you see at the end of graph is forecasting for the next 4 hours. But it's important to note that variations may occur between predicted and measured values. Next, we have the graph of air temperature. We are not getting this data from in our project, rather it's from weather forecast. Now the question arises, then why did we include it? Well, we need to find the correlation between different parameters and how the in this way the dissolved oxygen will be indirectly controlled. In conclusion, the use of IoT technologies to precisely control water parameters can decrease the mortality rate, and it can help the fish farmers to upgrade their traditional methods of fish farming.
This IoT-based project can significantly increase some of the major social impacts like sustainability, food security, rural development, education and research, community engagement, and economic growth.